of a project na gives opportunities for rising stars and newbies na to make it in showbiz.
Hello, good afternoon po. Thank you for the question. As a starter, as someone who's new in this industry, syempre, I feel very grateful. First of all, to be part of the show, but it's very exciting. It's a very exciting variety show project for TV5. And I'm also very happy and excited for yung mga artists natin, especially mga OPM artists. Kasi sila yung na-highlight ng variety show na to. And maliban na sa mga established artists, yung mga baguhan din sa mga gumagawa ng OPM music. It's a great opportunity for them to share their stories, through music, through performing, and this show is gonna help a lot of people, a lot of artists, and yun po ang abangan nyo sa TV5. Bye.
First time ba mag-news?
Yes po, for a variety show, yes po.
Ayun, ang sino yung mga look forward mo na stars na nag-invite or nag-interview sa band?
Interview, well, kasi lately, I've been listening to a lot of yung mga genre nila, Earl, nila Arthur, nila Annie. So, interesting siya if I'll be doing an interview with them, they're like mga jocks, co-jocks. And kasi yung nagawa ko sa last month is similar to that genre. So, it would be very interesting to interview those types of artists. But of course, lahat naman kami open to interview varieties of genres, which is very interesting din sa lahat ng audience natin. Para they get some knowledge and wisdom about yung mga behind the scenes or processes nila as an artist po.
So, last question, walo kayo nag-drop sa show. Ikaw, anong klaseng vibe or persona ba yung bring mo into the table for this show?
May vibe? But kanya-kanya kasi kami, we all have different personalities. Lahat po kami, may kanya-kanyang kulit at kami masayahin. So, as much as possible, syempre we want vibe to be very energetic, playful, and talagang makikita natin yung mga personality ng bawat artist. So, ako siguro, hindi more, energetic and relatable sa audiences natin.
Thank you so much. You have another question? Thank you so much to Kai John Dylan. You have your one in front.
Hey, congratulations, and my question for you, sunod-sunod ka din yes, and kasi ikaw you started with being and then your career was shaped by the voice of the audience, kaya na-focus on where you are right now. Paano mo i-relate yung experience niyo with what will happen here?
Throwback pa tayo tungkol sa past ko So okay, how can you relate to here? I guess back then I had the opportunity because of the fans who voted for me, but now we're also going to give to the fans who will vote for their favorite artist now, so they can be showcased to our show at ipakita yung mga talent nila, just like the way I did before. So now I'm giving them a new opportunity to showcase their talent, their music to our show. And I'm sure there's so many great OPM artists, especially mga bata ngayon, great nila, talino nila, sobrang talented nila, and then now this platform is for them.
So ano ba to? Like, will you have also like jobs, opportunity to perform alongside with the artists that will be voted? Or parang ito ko, sinong pwede nang makaduet eh? Anong pagkaka?
Tama naman. I guess, dependent sa schedule ng mga artists who are available to come to our show. At kung sino man vibe lang available din, we get a chance to perform with them either through singing, dancing, or other form of performance like that. So again, it's not a very good performance with them. It's a nice way to get to know and be with the artist.
And lastly, as a vibe job, what do you want to discover about yourself in entering this kind of job?
Para sa akin naman, this is a new experience for me. Totally, is to be hosting among these 85 jobs. Back then, I used to do it for online shows, stuff like that. But now it's going to be one of the video shows here at 85. And I'm excited to do that with these guys right here. Good. Thank you, man.
Alright. Thank you so much. Alright, Joel, we have 1 year, sir.
Yeah. My question, of course, is for Maxi. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and this is pretty big for a person like you. Not just because you're representing, of course, a community, but you're also doing this. I mean, you're the first one to ever do this. Does it make you more of have a responsibility to represent it well? Lalo na medyo kakaiba itong work na ginagawa.
I don't feel like it is my responsibility. I feel like I'm more on proud na meron someone from my community to represent them. And I feel like sobrang bait and sobrang talino ng Vibe production na meron silang include na someone from the community to represent the representative of the city. Yeah.
What kind of host are you now that you're going to be part of this program?
I think I'm the prettiest.
Of course. But are you going to be in drag like full time? Is that what's going to happen?
Sometimes not the drag or sometimes as sometimes may mga panahon kasi nagulog na talaga ako. Tulad ngayon, tulog ako, so dapat next week, chino ka Hindi, pero may mga times ko na, depende po sa program, depende sa wife ko. Or not to do.
For that Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you po!
Thank you, Vibe Maxi. Next question. Anyone here?
Hello. For Paula and kay Ryan. Since kayo yung may matagal na experience sa variety shows, ano yung masasabi niyo? Ano yung masasabi niyo na difference sa vibe sa mga variety shows today?
Comment mo ba yun tungkol sa edad na?
Hindi naman experience.
Matanda lang. Then, right.
Well,
Siya muna.
comment regarding Vibe, yes, this year actually, magka 10 years na anniversary of hashtag na we were launched sa Showtime, remind lang kita, 10 years na yun ago. So, yes, me and Paolo, we have experience, along with Anna, of course, may experience with hosting Showtime and online, handled by Sir Pete actually, of course, siya. So, it's going to be a little similar, but Vibe is an entirely different beast. Ibang-iba siya sa nakasanayan namin before. Medyo nag-briefing kami, oh guys, this is a bit more, bit more upscale. This is a bit more social, Kasi syempre, ang dami nating guests na medyo mas esteemed, medyo mas, tawag dito, more artsy. More on the art side tayo. Not so much on the showbiz anymore. Medyo more on the highlight the art.
Yun, kahit pa parang rin naman, kaya nasabi rin naman, experience na rin talaga ako. Pero sa part ko naman, ang experience ko kasi before talaga, online hosting. So, itong vibe, parang difference sa akin kasi first time ko magiging host talaga as TV host. So, for sure naman magkakaroon pa rin challenge, pero at least before na practice na rin namin kahit pa paano. And ang work naman namin dito rin talaga po sa pag-host is to promote OBM artists.
Thank you. For everyone, curious lang kasi medyo iba-iba kayo from yung brand, meron mga bagong